Good students, today I am going to teach you about distributive law of multiplication over addition in rational number. What is distributive law? Multiplication over addition in rational number. Distributive law means if A and B are, if A by B, C by D and E by F are three rational number, According to this, then we write according to distributive law, then it's right according to distributive law. Okay, then look here. A by B multiplication over addition of C by D plus E by F. Okay, then A by B is multiplication over addition of C by D plus E by F. Okay, then and it also write this A by B multiply here in this case in bracket two terms. A by B multiply in first term, A by B multiply in C by D first term and A by B multiply in second term. A by B multiply E by F. Okay, then all are belonging to Q or rational number. Okay, then we write it's by distributive law. Distributive law, a rational number multiplication over addition is called distributive law. Okay, look here. Let A by B is equal to 2 by 3 and C by D is equal to 5 by 3 and E by F is equal to 7 by 3. Then we write according to this. Here 2 by 3 multiply over addition of 5 by 3 plus 7 by 3. Okay, then look here. And we write it's in 2 by 3 multiply 5 by 3 plus 7, 2 by 3 multiply in 7 by 3. Okay, then here we write 5 2 ja 10, 10 by 3 3 ja 9 plus 7 2 ja 14 upon 3 3 ja 9. Okay, then look here. During the calculations we get the number 24 upon 9. Here denominator are same. Okay, then thus during the calculation we get the number 24 upon 9. 24 upon 9 is a rational number, also belong in Q. Okay, then this types of questions are given, then you can calculate on this method belonging to Q. Which numbers get during this, which number is get also known as rational number or belonging to Q. Okay, student. After this, next rule is related with 0. Related with 0. Okay, student. After this, property of rational. Second case, property of 0 in multiplication. Property of 0 in multiplication. Here, if A by B is a rational number, then when we multiply of 0 in this rational number, A by B in multiply, A by B multiply 0 or 0 multiply A upon B is equal to 0. All are 0. When any rational number or integers multiply with 0, that will be always found 0. Here 0 is also a rational number because 0 is integer, then all integers are rational number. Here you can write here rational form. 0 by 1 is rational form, but here 0 is integer. Then rational 0 is a rational number. All integers are rational number. Look here. After this, third, reciprocal in multiplication. Reciprocal in multiplication. Reciprocal means inverse. If A by B is a rational number, then A by B inverse B by A. When we multiply reciprocal of any number, then we always find the value of 1. Here, if A by B is a rational number, its reciprocal or inverse is B by A. Then we multiply A by B multiply its reciprocal B by A. When A by B multiply its reciprocal B by A, we get always 1. Here B cancels, A cancel A, we get 1. Any value here, 2 by 3 is a rational number. Let 2 by 3 is a rational number. Then its inverse, then its reciprocal is 3 by 2. Okay? Then multiply of both, we get 1. Here 2/3 is a rational number and its reciprocal 3/2. When multiply its reciprocal, then we get the value of 1. 1 is also a rational number. Okay, student? Then these types of questions are given everywhere, then you can solve by this method. And you know that in identity means which number multiply or divide in any given rational number, then there is no difference of the value. Then that value is known as identity. Here A, in addition 0 is identity. During the addition there is no difference. Then 0 is identity. Identity means which such types of a number, which numbers add or multiply. There is no difference of the given number. Then that number is called identity. In addition 0 is identity and in multiplication 1 is identity. Here A plus 0 is equal to A. There is no difference. Here 2 plus 0 or 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. There is no difference. And here in multiplication 1 is identity. Identity when multiply of any rational number there is no difference. Then 1 is the identity. Here look here 2/3 into 1 or 1 into 2/3 is equal to 2/3. There is no difference. Then 1 is the multiplicative identity. Then 1 is the multiplicative identity. But in addition 0 is identity, but in multiplication 1 is identity. Okay, student? These types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay, student? Next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student? Thank all of you.